Good day, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to use incident management. Once you have logged into your Infoman profile, you can access incident management by clicking on Incident Management in the top menu bar. Once you have clicked on Incident Management, a new page will appear. On the left, you'll see a list of your already logged incidents, and on the right, you can create additional incidents. Let's start by creating our first incident. First, I will select my site from the drop-down list. Then, choose my incident date and incident time. Next, I will give a brief description of what happened. Now, I have to select my incident type by clicking on the drop-down list and selecting from various options. Please note that this field is mandatory. I can then proceed to select my incident classification, severity, and impact. Note that these fields are optional, but they can be made mandatory if required. I can also add additional incident notes. When I'm done, I can simply click on Create New Incident. You'll get a pop-up notification confirming that the incident has been created, and it will appear on the left-hand side in the list. If you would like to view an incident, you can simply select an item in the list on the left-hand side. This will show you a pop-up window and all the details of that incident. By right-clicking on an incident in the list on the left-hand side, you'll get additional options, such as Action Incident, Change Severity, and Add Incident Note. To prevent incidents from piling up, it's always recommended to action past incidents. By right-clicking on the item and selecting Action Incident, it will show you a pop-up window with various options you can choose from. In the pop-up window, you'll get three options: Status, Action Date, and Notes. For this purpose, I'm simply going to close this incident by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting Close. You will note that once I've actioned this incident, it will disappear from the list and is no longer visible. Certain incident types will have a questionnaire attached to them. You'll notice as I select this incident type, a questionnaire will appear at the bottom of the screen. I then need to proceed to action these questions and provide as much detail as possible. This question set will be submitted along with the main incident. Thank you for watching. This concludes our walkthrough of incident management. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.